Wait, I am explaining again. So this backpack, I'll explain. This backpack is a useful thing that is used to store a code of blocks. It can use as much as blocks you want. It can store, and whenever you require those blocks, you can just copy it to. You can just paste it from the backpack to your coding. You can say coding window. Yeah,
When you
and
will simply click on it, then you will get the coding of the
and
back.
this is our today's application. I have already told you. Once again, I am telling. This is a personal translator that translate the language English to Hindi. Okay, so the look is like this.
You might be knowing about the translator because it was very famous when we both made. I also made and Save also made the translator which can convert English into 94 or 95 languages.
Yeah, so that we will also show you. We'll not make this during these sessions. You can take part in the module 2, and that we will be making. Okay, so now only two more things, and Arush, you can continue. Yeah, so you can see this. Just a minute, just a minute. Yeah. So can you see these four buttons? One is dustbin and three are buttons. So these buttons are also very useful. So like if you want to delete something, like suppose I by mistake drop this block into my coding window. Now I wanted to delete this. So there is a shortcut key, like you can just click on this button and click on delete or backspace. And one more way, you can just drop it to the dustbin, and when the lid gets open, then you can just drop it and it will be deleted. And if you have a number of blocks, many blocks, so you can use this minus button to decrease the size of the blocks to see all the blocks at once. And if you want to again maximize it, you can click on this button, this plus button. And if you want to get the original size again, then click on the topmost button and you'll get the original size again.
And one
Okay,
more
so
information, instead of backpack, you can also use backspace key to delete your code. You can simply click on the code or the block and you can click on backspace. It will be
yeah,
automatically deleted. But first of all, you
and
have to say,
these are also some buttons that shows warnings and all. So like if I've dropped this and I have not enclosed it inside any event handler, as you all know that we have to enclose every caller set and getter blocks inside an event handler. So if I didn't did it, then it shows me a warning. And if you click on show warning, then it shows a symbol somewhat like this over the block. And if you click this, then it shows that you should fill all blocks of the socket with blocks. Okay. Yeah, so now Tanish is also
yeah,
here.
this is the notifying warning. And the second is, it is a little bit harder warning in which we can't any block. We can't add.
Okay, so now it's the explanation for me is completed. Now Arush will continue. And Tanishi, Arush will only look over your query.
Asif, please enable the screen sharing and also check if I could be a co-host.
Yeah, screen sharing is enabled, Arush. It's enabled.
Okay, so this is the DigiDoodle app. You have done the designing. I think you must be have completed all the designing. Okay, so you must have also renamed it. That is very important, renaming part. And you all must be have used this screen also. Okay, so now click on blocks. Okay, first of all, click on variable, then click on initialize global name to. Okay, are you all seeing? Please drop your Y in the chat box.
Yes.
Okay, so now you have to, we have added a variable. Now click on this name, and in place of name you have to write size. Okay, right? You have to write size. Then you have to click on math block and click on 0. Are you following? Please drop a Y in the chat box.
Yes.
Yes. So now you have to change this 0 to 1. So now we have to make a global variable. We have made. Sanyog, hello, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
If there is any explanation left other than this, so can you tell it? I am coming in just 1 minute.
Okay, you can. Okay.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
Yes.
Yes.
सर वो आपने इनिशियलाइज ग्लोबल वाला कहाँ से लिया था
Okay, I will
Some
tell you.
variables.
You can see this variable part over here.
यस सर
In this, you have to go and you have to take a global variable. I have also told you that there are two types of variable. So you have to take the global variable and you have to click on this name and change the name to size. And you have to keep its value to 1. Okay. Yeah, so till Arush is coming, so you can ask any query.
Excuse me.
So I am back. Sanyog, now you can share that. Stop the show.
Yeah. Yes, Tanishi.
Okay, so
Excuse me. I have made the Talking Tom app, but I could not upload it.
that of Talking Top, you can contact to Arohi Gupta. I will give you the number of her.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we have made a.
again?
Okay. So now click on variable. Now click on initialize global name to. Now in place of name, you have to write size. Okay, so in place of name, you have to write size. Then click on math block and take a 0. Now attach it here, connect it here. Now in place of 0, you have to write 1. And if you have done till now, please drop a Y in the chat box.
Yes.
Okay, so and now we should continue. Okay. Okay. N. Gursaj, why you have written N? No. Hello. Sanyog, please start the recording.
Yeah, recording
Hello.
is started. It's
So
started.
why you are saying you are there two times.
Yeah. One is my phone and one is from lab.
Okay, so now you have to click on when size min dot click. Take a block event handler when size dot min dot click. Are you able to see? Now click on variable set dash to. In place of dash, you have to you can get an arrow. Click on arrow and set global size to. Now go in math block. Take a plus block, attach it here. Go to math block once again. Take a 0, write it 1. Am I clear?
सर
Yes.
सर आपने ये ऑरेंज वाले के बाद ये ब्लू वाला कहाँ से लेकर आए?
Math block में plus वाला.
ओके सर.
ये.
You just please copy the code for now and then explanation we will do today only after the code is completed.
And okay, so now click on variable. and take a getter. Attach it here. It will be not attached. Oh, so it is attached
Where
now.
have you got is where have you got the global size
Set get set
set?
set you will get from variable set. You have to take this one set. Now click on the arrow and take global size.
Okay.
Everyone, please try to find the blocks yourself for now, because till now you would have learned to do this.
Okay, so now quickly go to canvas. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Now you have to take a set canvas dot line width 2. Now you have to attach it here. Okay, so is everyone done? Now take a getter. In the variables, take a getter and click on this arrow and you will get global size. So the coding for size minus is done. Now click on size plus. When size plus dot click,
Can you wait for some time?
can you repeat?
Can you can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yes, I am reading. And please everyone, only a few students are sending the videos. Please more students send the video. And Jasleen has joined, Gurset, Kush, you, and Ansh and Rajvi. Okay, so 3 participants are not there, and I guess Arnav, Ishanvi, Keshav. Okay, so now I will carry on.
Yeah, Arash, I want to tell one thing.
What?
Yeah, I was thinking like we will start the personal translator tomorrow only, and today only the coding and explanation for autoresponder, and I want to tell some more things.
Yes,
Like
please don't. Yes, but please, we will do translate tomorrow only. But please don't tell about the second module.
yeah, about the second module I'll also.
Don't tell about that.
Yeah, that I'll tell. From making a
Okay,
notice.
okay, okay. Okay, so now click on variable, take a setter, attach it here to size plus, take set global size to. Now go to once, you can simply control, you have to take a duplicate. Take a duplicate, attach here. Okay. And you can also take a duplicate of this. Set canvas dot line width, what global size. So the coding for size minus and size plus is done. If you're having any query, please ask at the last. Okay, so now click on erase. Now
Sir,
take
please.
a. Okay, so who is this? Ansh. Okay. So we have done the coding for size minus and size plus. Now we will do the coding for erase, color, image. What?
सर ये जो आपने सेकंड वाला जो है उसमें आप जब ये ब्लू वाला जब लेके आए ऊपर वाला
आप
ये जो ब्लू वाला आप
Gursej, 1 minute, Gursej. Have you completed the code of this size minus? This one. ये वाला. इसको code कर दिया?
यस सर. सर ये जो ब्लू वाला है उसमें लिखना कैसे है? मेरा उसमें कर्सर नहीं दिखा रहा है.
वो ऐसे नहीं होगा, उसके लिए आपको जाना है वेरिएबल में, टेक अ गेटर, in the getter write global size. See, my is empty now. You have to take it and attach here.
नहीं, जो आपने ये ग्लोबल साइज के बाद वाला।
One.
यस सर, मेरा कर्सर नहीं दिखा रहा
Go
उस पे।
go to math block. Go to math block.
यस सर,
Attach it here. कर्सर नहीं दिखाएगा आपका इसमें, यहाँ जा, इस पे आप रख दो इसको, हो गया बस। आप इस पे क्लिक करो, 1 लिख दो।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
And please check the code for size minus and size plus will be same. Only you have to change the even handler. So I am waiting for only 1 minute. Till then, if you are having any query, please tell.
हेलो सर। हेलो सर।
Yes, who is there?
सर आपने बाकी सारा सेम करना है बस। सर येलो वाला सब साइज माइनस और साइज प्लस ही लगाना है बस।
Yes. तो आपको ये इन दोनों के कोडिंग सेम है, बस आपको इवेंट हैंडलर चेंज करना है। ये येलो वाला।
ओके सर।
Okay, so now we are done. Now click on erase. Take a when erase dot click do. Okay. Now you have to go to canvas and search for a caller. Call canvas one dot clear. Okay. Now once again go to canvas and choose set canvas one dot background 2. Now go to this logic and take a false block. Take a 1 minute.
Arish, I have to do that to background image.
Yeah, that is background image. Okay, so we have done for the erase. We have done for the erase size minus size plus, and we have also created a variable named size. So now we have to do the coding for about. So when about dot click, you have to go to logic and search for open another screen name. Attach it here. And as your screen name is screen 2, so you have to take a text, go to text, take a blank text box and write that in proper manner. You have to write screen 2. If you will not write in a proper manner, like same as like this, so it will not come. So we are done for size plus, size minus, erase and about. Now we have to do for color. Is everyone done? Please drop a Y in the chat box.
Yes. 1 minute.
Okay.
चुप हो जाओ ना, चुप हो जाओ ना।
Sanyog, are you there? Okay, Yug has done. Sanyog, are you there? Hello.
Sir,
Yeah, Arish, I am there.
यस सर।
sir,
Okay, Rajvi
Yes.
has a query. Yes, Rajvi, you can ask.
Yes, good search.
Sir,
Screen is
yeah,
not visible to me. When I
Good
am
search.
minimizing it, then only it is. But
sir,
when I'm
Wait a minute.
Wait,
Wait a
wait.
minute.
Please, one by one. Yes, Rajvi first, you can say.
seeing that when I'm entering the full screen, then only then I am not able to see the screen.
But Rajvi, it's visible. I think there's some network issue from your side. Arish, can you please means stop
Yes,
and
now
then
it is
again share
visible.
screen?
Now it is visible.
Okay, sir.
sir,
Yes, good search.
सर ये जो है कैनवस 1 बैकग्राउंड इमेज 2 के बाद आप ये फॉल्स वाला कहाँ से लेके आए?
Logic here.
ओके सर,
Logic may false.
ओके सर.
Okay, Jasmine has done, Ansha has done, and you guys also done.
Excuse me.
Third.
Excuse me.
Yes.
The option false is not joining to the set canvas 1 background 2 of mine.
Background image. You have to set background image.
Okay.
Then only it will attach.
Okay. Yeah.
सर,
Yes.
सर ये जो है लास्ट वाला अबाउट वाला उसके नीचे ये ओपन अनदर स्क्रीन नेम वाला आप कहाँ से लेके आए?
कंट्रोल में जाओ और नीचे ओपन एंड अदर स्क्रीन ये वाला.
सर किधर?
कंट्रोल में बिल्ड के नीचे सबसे ऊपर कंट्रोल और अभी थोड़ा नीचे से थोड़ा ये.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
सर
यस.
सर बहुत देर से दिखा रहा है oops we tripped on a bug.
1 minute.
अच्छा.
Technical date to be issued. Okay. So you restart the MIT App Inventor. Must be there would be some problem in your network.
Okay. Sir,
Yes.
sir, coding is correct.
Wait a minute. Okay, global. Yes, it is correct. Very nice. Anj, please stop the share. I have to complete the code.
सर,
Wait a minute.
can I show you my screen?
Wait a minute. Anj, you have to go upwards and okay. Yes, Good says you can share. Good says you can share.
Sir, I am doing class from mobile and I am doing the coding part from my laptop.
Okay, so what you are having problem?
No, मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ कि ये सही है.
Yes, it is correct. It is correct. I saw global size and
Okay,
it
sir.
is correct. Very good. So we have done for size minus size plus raise about, and we have also created a variable. Now we have to do for color. Okay. So go to canvas and take a block that is set canvas one background color to. Wait a minute. Is anyone listening me?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah,
Wait a
sure.
minute. You have to go to color and you have to choose when color dot click. Afterwards, you have to go to canvas and take a block that is might be here only. Set canvas one background color 2. Okay. Set canvas one. You have to choose paint color. Sorry, my bad. It will be set canvas one dot paint color 2. You have to go to here the colors and you have to choose this whole block. Go to colors and choose this one. Okay. Where is my screen? You have to go to color and choose this one, this larger one. So now you have to erase. You have to delete these three. You have to delete these 3 blocks and go to math block and take random integer from 1 to 100 and like this do 2 duplicates and take 3 and in place of 100 you have to write 255 in each.
सर ये आप मेक अ फर्स्ट लिस्ट के आगे कौन से बटन से लेके आ रहे हो?
ये मैथ ब्लॉक में जाओ आप और ये रैंडम इंटीजर फ्रॉम 1 to 100.
ओके सर.
Okay, so we are done for the color when color dot click. Now we have to do for image one. Okay, so I am waiting for 1 minute. Afterwards we will complete the code and it is only this one left.
Excuse me.
Yes, Rajvi.
When we are adding this random integer from the numbers which were coming before 25500,
We have to delete
are
that.
not
We have
okay.
to delete. And when you add random integer from, so it must be coming 1 to 100. So you have to change the 100 to 255.
Sir, I have done.
Yeah, and don't worry. We will tell you this that why this code is done. Okay.
Okay, so now
Just
we are
for now,
having,
copy this, and then afterwards
we are having
explanation.
we are having less time, so you have to click on when image one dot after picking. When image one dot after picking, you have to go to canvas and take set canvas one background. Set canvas one background color 2. You have to attach it here.
Or it will be background image.
Yeah. I have by mistakenly chosen color, so I was telling them to click on this arrow and choose set canvas one dot background image 2. Now go to image and choose image one dot selection. Must be here only. Yeah, this is image one dot selection. So our image that coding for the image one is also completed. So now only very less blocks are left. Okay, so is everyone done? Quickly tell me.
Sir, where we will found the image selection?
You have to go to here image and you will found here it must be here. See this image selection.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now click on canvas one. Take a event handler name set canvas one dot drag. Set canvas one dot drag. Wait a minute, I'm scrolling down my screen. Set canvas one dot drag. Now you have to once again go to canvas one and you have to choose. You have to choose. It must be here. Yes, you have to choose call canvas one dot draw line, and you have to put it here. It is a collar. Okay. So now we have to add these 4 variables. So now go to here and choose this. Once again, go to here, choose this, and you have to go to here once again, choose this, and when you will go. So your code is completed. So now queries. Yes, Gursej.
सर ये मैं इमेज वाले ऑप्शन पे क्लिक कर रही हूँ तो ये एरर दिखा रहा है.
Wait a minute. Internal error has occurred. Okay, so you have to reload. You have to reload. Once again, open the MIT App Inventor.
ओके सर.
Any other query?
सर
Yes.
सर मेरा पूरा भर गया सर, ये हो ही नहीं रहा है. मैं बार बार स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ तब भी.
So it must be some. Okay. So it must be some internal error.
Excuse
The
me.
session-
We have to
Uh,
write get.
Yes.
We have to if it we have to take block get current y or current y2.
Current Y. From where are you taking?
Current y of when canvas one drag do.
Yes. From here only you have to take. Okay, so the meeting is going to disconnect. Please rejoin. The meeting is going to disconnect in few seconds.